Russia continues to lose their most modern tank, the T-90M, making them to place them further back to try and avoid any danger, with the tank shooting with indirect fire a few times before retreating. It tries to get further behind defensive lines, but hasn't realized Ukraine's drone army has already spotted and targeting the tank, chasing it down and hitting it at the back section, causing it to break down, resulting in the crew getting picked up and abandoning the tank, showing Ukraine's drone army doesn't let any space be safe for Russia's tanks. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.